Mankind has always strived to achieve greater heights. We have an innate drive to go bigger. As time progressed, man's need for increased height demanded extraordinary innovation. This instinctual drive for lofty prominence has finally reached its apex. Inspiration was spurred by a computer-aided vocal music search device. Never before has such groundbreaking alien-based technology found its way into the very destiny of mankind. Introducing the JL TeraFlex 1.5-inch Performance Spacer Lift Kit. Lifting just enough to satisfy the primal urge without suffering from domestic violence or incurring any unnecessary financial burden. When a suspension spacer lift is designed at TeraFlex, you can count on valuable extras. Each hard and durable, fiberglass impregnated nylon spacer will support your Jeep for years to come. And the interlocking shim design will allow for adding increased lift should your future accessory weight get you down. A suspension spacer lift you can build on, depend on, and comfortably ride on.